In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your social media profiles to your Wix website. We'll work right inside the Wix editor, so start by opening your site in the editor. Once you're in, look for the Add panel and click the highlighted option to open it. From there, select Social, then choose Social Bar. You'll also see Share buttons in this panel. Go ahead and click that as well so you can access the full set of social options. Now, pick the platforms you want to show. Click Facebook to add it to your bar. Click Twitter to add it. If you see Twitter more than once, just pick the standard icon. Next, click Pinterest, then VK, then Line, and finally YouTube. With your choices added, click the social bar on your canvas to bring up its settings. If you see the social bar label again, click it to make sure the right panel opens. Do this until the social bar settings are visible on the right-hand side. Click Set Social Links. You'll see your icons listed. Click Icon 1 to edit it, then Icon 2, then Icon 3, Icon 4, Icon 5, and Icon 6. If you need to jump back to Icon 3 or Icon 2 to adjust them, do that now. In the link settings, click the highlighted field, choose Web Address, and click into the highlighted URL box. Paste or type the full correct profile URL for that platform. Repeat that for each icon you added so every button points to the right page. Next, decide how links should open. Click Current Window if you want to replace the current page, or select New Window to keep visitors on your site while opening the social profile in a new tab. Choose New Window, then confirm New Window one more time so the setting sticks. If you see Advanced SEO Settings, you can open it to review options, but the defaults are fine for most setups. When you're done setting each link, click Done to save the social links, and click Done again to close the settings panel. Finally, click Publish to push your changes live, and then click Done to finish. A few quick tips as you go. Keep your social bar visible but unobtrusive. Headers and footers work well. Use consistent icon styles for a clean look. Double-check each URL before publishing to avoid broken links. And choosing New Window helps visitors stay engaged with your site while they explore your social profiles. That's it. Your Wix site now links directly to your social media.